What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Turns Traffic into Felony." Man, oh man. Oh, man. People just can't take their citations and they ticket and go about their business, can't they? Nope. They gotta get jammed up. So let's see what happens.
Can I tell me I cannot get out of my car? You're not my boss, you're not my daddy. You don't give a fuck. I don't want to go to the ground. What are you doing?
On March 8, 2023, in Orange County, Florida, a traffic enforcement officer randomly running license plates initiates a stop on a driver named Jasmine for a suspended license and a state-issued seize tag order.
Stop. How you doing? License and registration, please.
245,000, copy of verbal control.
As soon as I get your license, I'll be glad to tell you.
Good. 1549 Robertson.
Thank you, ma'am. Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended and you have a seize tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. Maybe you didn't update that. You didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you, you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse, I
Okay.
made payment.
Jasmine, when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in mine.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light camera tickets.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only a couple months.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper I did at the court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry? Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction.
No, that's the correct address.
The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information. I'm just trying to show you.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Jasmine.
This is the case of talking too much and showing too much, you know, whatever you want to call it. Like, bruh, you got 3 different papers with 3 different IDs on it. Like, you got your driver's license ID that got one ID. You got the receipt thing or whatever, which has another ID. And then you got whatever paper you filled out yesterday or whatever with another ID, like with another address. Like, bro, come on, bro. You don't need all that. Just take your little citation and keep it moving. But she gonna talk her way into, like, it's just like, yo, y'all doing too much. Relax. Just let the officer do what he gotta do.
Claims to have had her license reinstated the previous day, yet the officer's computer states otherwise, and she already has 4 previous suspensions on her record. As Jasmine continues to argue, the officer goes back to his vehicle to inspect the paperwork more closely. But when Jasmine gets tired of waiting, she exits the vehicle and approaches the officer.
Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever I want. If I can get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't do
There's a
shit for me.
Supreme Court ruling that says you need to get back in your car. Now get back in your car.
Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car. I'm taking your license and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you want to
my
call
car?
somebody to come get you, that's the best thing.
I can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself and
Well,
I have to go
I
get my
apologize.
things.
Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything up.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Then why didn't she tell me that? I asked her if there any other problems. She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is.
Okay,
I will
but
give
you
you all
can't
the
impound
court
my
tickets.
car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. Till you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
you
take
owe
it to
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and drive again.
I went to the courthouse
Okay.
and she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there
Okay.
yesterday.
Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job.
You can't.
I can't help that.
And I told you to pay everything. How are you going to car? Do you not understand what I'm telling you?
Ma'am,
I have 2 kids. I take care of
Go
them.
stand by your car.
And then you're going to fucking tell me
Go
to
stand
take
by
the
your
fucking
car. Go stand by your car.
Yesterday and I paid over
Okay.
200 fucking dollars
Ma'am,
to the fucking car.
you're this close to going to jail.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
You're trying to take my shit.
You're this close to go to jail.
You're a fucking ass.
Go have a seat by your car.
Jasmine continues to argue, and as backup arrives, she gets back into her vehicle and makes a brief attempt to.
She tried to dip. Wow. Fleeing. You're done.
Get out of the car now!
What is
Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax.
What's
Relax.
his problem when you tried to leave?
Relax.
Get off of me!
Relax.
You're hurting me! Get off of me! Get
That hand.
Get off of me! Get off of me! I'm gonna get my fucking kids! You asshole! Get off of me! Don't you do it! Get off of me!
Go to the
No!
ground.
I don't want to go to the ground! Get off of me! I have to go get my fucking kids! No! You are not putting these on me! What are you doing?
Huh. Pain compliance. You gonna learn today.
Roll over. Stop resisting.
You don't wanna act right? We gonna get you to act right, boy. You gonna learn today. You tried to leave? Oh, okay. We gonna show you.
Get off of me, please! I'm only 130 pounds!
Stand up.
Ow, my arm!
Stand up.
What you did to my hand!
Stand up.
You fucking asshole! What the fuck? Oh my god, what did I get my kids? What is wrong with you?
Oh God, here we go with this bystander recording coming out of nowhere, bro. You don't even know what's going on, bro. Like, mind your business, bro. Like, yeah, like she just tried to run from the cops because she about to get her thing towed and everything. Like, and here you come. Like, what are you doing? Like, yeah, like.
Look at my hand! I didn't do nothing to you! What the fuck?
Baby, you can't take off on a traffic stop.
Take off!
Get in. It's all on video. Get in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick! I don't...
County 249. Show it the black female 1015. And then resume normal.
249. You guys okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Need for units?
You got count.
Negative. All units can cancel. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Time for a unit. Just finding quick hit.
Huh?
245.
I got one.
You want some of those lights?
Yeah.
I'm calling him back. I'm not phone.
Did you take these handcuffs?
Nope, you're going to jail, ma'am.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Well, unfortunately, when you fled from the stop, you did something wrong. When you didn't listen, you did something wrong.
I was
So
going
now,
to the car.
and then
I was
when you
just
punched
there.
me, When you punched me on the ground, yep, you swung and hit me.
I did not.
Now it's battery, Leo.
It's a lie.
It's all on
I don't
video.
even know how to throw a punch.
Okay, it's all on video.
I don't know how to throw a
Ma'am.
punch. No.
Ma'am, it's all on video. You all right?
Are you?
Yep.
Bro, it's time for him to retire, bro. He too big now.
You want to?
I'm towards the car.
Am I able to call my mom?
No. You can call. You can call your mom after you get booked into the jail.
24 Alpha. At where?
Why would I arrest you?
Yeah.
Because you ran from the traffic stop.
I didn't ran from the traffic stop. I was at the red light. The light turned green. You
Ma'am.
pulled over at the Wells Fargo.
Ma'am.
I got out the car.
Ma'am.
I took the punches. I was at the courthouse.
Did you not just drive off?
$1,000 yesterday.
Did you not just drive off?
No. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
okay.
I was going to the courthouse. Why can't I go? I want
Because
to
with the traffic stop wasn't done, and I told you that.
Yeah, but I need to go to the courthouse.
It doesn't matter. You don't have the right to leave. You don't.
Yeah.
You don't have the right to leave.
Okay, so
In reference to Schedule 30.
Well,
I
I don't need to understand.
And they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested? That
Well,
makes sense.
I don't know. That's between you and them. Well,
I didn't do that.
unfortunately, you'll go to jail today.
He lied.
Unfortunately, you go to jail today. You'll get booked in.
Okay, so when are you taking me there?
When I'm ready. It's my time. I will get done, and we will head that way.
You're so inconsiderate. You hurt me. I'm bleeding. You hurt my both of my legs. And you say I punched you. I can't even throw a punch. I've never even fought like that before. What are you talking about? You got complete control. You're trying to tell me
Yeah.
a 130-pound girl was being threw a punch where both her hands behind her back? That's
You're
a
right.
lie.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
No, we're not.
Just
I'm
one
gonna go
on
get
a
my kid.
traffic stop. And she didn't believe her stuff was suspended.
No,
and
I believe you.
then she decided to jump when her car was getting ready to get impounded.
Why would you lie?
She jumped in the car and took off.
Oh, that's right.
So Ron was able to get here, I was able to get there, and then, of course, she wanted to fight and not go to
I
jail.
did not fight. I don't know how to fight. I'm only 130 pounds. I'm small. Can I fight?
So it was a good day, I guess.
Yeah.
For you.
Nobody got hurt. No one.
I'm hurt.
So.
I'm f***ing hurt. I'm bleeding and my head is hurting.
If the caregiver is there in FDS 51, we can respond to
How are you?
2 people.
Been a while, man.
If it's a DNR,
Please, please.
You've been, nope. You can't leave. We're going to the jail.
Then let's go. What are you waiting for?
We gotta wait on a tow truck and everything.
I still got stuff to do.
As Jasmine is driven to jail, she continues to plead her case from the back seat.
Your knee and my leg. How much do you weigh compared to how much do I weigh? Doesn't make any sense. Now you can say I throw a punch? For what? To make you feel better? I did not throw no punch. How can I throw a punch? Want to go to the courthouse to find out why this lady lied to me? Because she knew I would get in this predicament. This doesn't make any sense. I did my part. Went to the courthouse to find out what's going on with my leg. And she lied to me. So my car can get impounded. I cannot afford to get that out. I have to take care of my kids. And this is wasting my time and my kids' time for no reason. And then you're going to tell somebody, oh, are you okay? What has happened to you? You got to go home, open up a cold beer, right? Who's going to feed my fucking kids? Who's going to put my fucking kids to bed? They're going to wonder where their mother is. But she went to pay her money to the courthouse when they want to go to Disney and I can't even fucking take them because I have to work. To pay these tickets from these red light cameras because I'm trying to go to work. And then you're going to throw me on the fucking ground and then say throw a fucking punch. The fuck? Then what? If I get fucked, how do I even get out? Like what the fuck is this shit? Doesn't make any sense. You see 2 car seats in the back. What the fuck does that mean? I didn't do nothing. No weapon. Nothing. So she threw a punch. She drove up. Yeah, to find out why the lady in the car was lying. I was just there and paid a lot of money that I don't have. So zero.
Jasmine was charged with resisting an officer with violence, obstruction without violence, and fleeing and eluding police. She faces up to 5 years in prison if convicted.